Alright, so I'm going to show you how to create our travel brochure for our country report project. You want to go to my website, exploring5thgrade.weebly.com, and once you get there, you're going to want to hit on the projects button and scroll down to country report. Now on this page, I have several different examples of what I would like the country report to look like. I have one example which was done with a publisher program, and I have one that was done with a Word Documents program. You may use the publisher one, but you can only access this one if you have the publisher software already on your computer. So right now I'm just going to show you how to create this one, which is the Word document. So you want to go over here and click on European Country Travel Brochure to DocX. You're going to want to make sure it's the document one, not the publisher one. If you download this one, you won't be able to access it if you don't have that program. So I'm going to click on Download File. Once it downloads, I'm going to click Open. Alright. Once you get to this page, you'll probably have an orange bar up here at the top that says Protected View. You're going to want to click Enable Editing so that you can edit this document. Once you get here, you're going to want to change your name. So say your country's name is England. You're going to type England right there. Now scroll down. In your name, you're going to put your name. So this would be Miss Mute, and your number. So I'll just use the number 87. And you're going to write the due date, which is March 1. Now here is where it gets a little tricky. These are all different panels. So we have, this is panel 1 right here. And then panel 2 is actually on the second page. So you're going to want to make sure that when you're putting in your information, you do it on the correct panel. So I don't only want a picture of a boat because England doesn't have a boat, so I'm going to click this. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to bring up my internet or Chrome again. I'm going to type in England pictures. So I'm going to click here. So I have all these different images of England. Well, I don't really like any of these. I want more of a map. Oh, here's a map over here. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to click View Image. Once I get over here, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to say Save Image As. A dialog box like this will pop up. I'm going to put it somewhere where I can find it easily, so I'll just keep it here. It's titled Map of England. Hit Save, and there it's saved. So I'm going to go back to my Word document. I'm going to click on this picture. I'm going to go up here to Picture Format. And I have several different options here. I'm going to click the one that says Change Picture. This will enable me to change the picture and keep it in the same location. So I'm going to click on my download file, find the one that says Map of England, which is right down here. Click it, click Insert. It's right there, and I'm going to use these arrows and I'm going to blow it up because I want it a little bit bigger. And it won't move the way I want it to, so I'm going to go back up here, I'm going to click on it. In some editions, you'll be able to click right here where it says text wrap, and I'll change the settings to tight. But it's not letting me do this on my computer, so I'll just let it go for right now. It'll be fine right there. So now I'm done with my first panel, so I'm going to go back to my website. I'm going to look, see what does, okay, so on panel 2, I need country name, capital, population, absolute location, country capital, and then all these different things. So I'm going to go over here, go to panel 2, change, I'll click right here where it says country name. I'm going to change that to England. I'm going to start just filling in all these different things in here. So I'm going to write London. I'm going to put relative location as middle of, or I'm going to say between Atlantic Ocean and the North Sea. Change the font spelling. Government type, I know that one off the top of my head, which is a constitutional monarchy. And I'm going to put a couple of landmarks in here. I'm going to say Big Ben, Tower Bridge, and Stonehenge. And then I just will finish creating all of this. So I have my finished product. And when you're done, if it's too difficult for you to print it to me, you can go ahead and email me at here, I'll just type it over here, at timute@mvcsonline.com. I hope this helps.